What's poppin', guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use the colorization tool in Vegas Pro 18. If you guys are excited for that, make sure to hit the like button down below as always, and subscribe if you're here as well for the first time watching and if you would like to see more Vegas Pro 18 content. So let's get into the colorization tool, of course, right after the intro. Alright guys, so now that we're in Vegas Pro 18, this is the clip that I'm going to use today. This is from the studio where we're recording our music, and of course, on purpose, I deleted the audio track because, of course, when we were shooting, we also had a microphone plugged in, and I'm not going to spoil any of my music yet. That's going to be for next year, of course, as we have a lot of more work to do. But I'm going to use this clip nonetheless from the documentary, where I'm going to show you guys the new colorization tool in Vegas Pro 18. So if I go to the video effects tab, right here, we're going to type in the search bar colorization. Right here, this is the new feature that Vegas Pro implemented. So let's drag that one on top of our clip. So as you can see, it actually makes this look like it's kind of like a 1970s 80s kind of footage, which is really cool. But we have many different options that we can obviously tweak. Right here we have the luminance enhancement. If we're going to put that one to always to output, it's going to brighten up the footage just a little bit because it's of course the luminance that gets adjusted within the program itself. But I'm just going to keep that on none because I don't really like to add any additional brightness to it. So if I go to the precision, if we drag that one to high, of course it's going to be a lot more precise. The footage kind of turned out kind of red, so we can of course change that if we're going to drag this marker. So let's say that we're going to color grade this one into like a starting like beginning 2000 style. So what we can do is we can just shift these two markers. So let's say that we want to have it on kind of this preset. And I want to point out, guys, the quality is a little bit more pixelated. You want to make sure that you will put all the settings to full, because otherwise you might think that it will add pixelation to it, but that's not the case. So now that we have put everything on full, we can see what we can do with the grading. So right here it says gain on green and red. So if we drag that up, it's going to add in a lot more gain. But of course, if we're going to drag the bottom one up and these two, for example, it takes a lot of time to progress. So let's drag these one down. And this is just a really cool way how you can color grade clips in Vegas Pro 18, because let's say that you're tired of using LUTs, or if you don't want to pick like the regular, if you press, for example, Alt G on your keyboard, that brings up this panel. You can also just skip that and go to the colorization tab. You can just focus on the colorization, and you can also invert the green and the red if you want to take that out for a second, or you can just also do that for the blue and the yellow. So you can like really focus on different colors. And of course, the more you tweak on it, as you can see in your vector scope, it also gets adjusted, and you can also do that in your vector scope as well. As you can see, you will have your details at the top right. So of course, if we put this one to magna field, it's just going to be a lot more details. If you guys find that useful, I'd just like to keep that on normal because the difference wouldn't be too big. So it just, if I drag like the majority of these down, it is actually going to highlight the blue and the yellow. So if I drag this one a little bit more down and the green a lot more up, I'm going to also shift between blue and yellow. It's going to make our footage look like a lot turquoisey. But if I drag on the green and the red, it's actually going to compensate for that. If you just keep messing with these markers, I'm sure you guys will get an awesome result, because this is just a new feature and no previous versions had this one. And there are no presets if you go to this drop down menu, because of course this Vegas Pro doesn't really know like what kind of look you're aiming for, because you can create like a lot of LUT filters and you can just scroll through them and see which one look the best, and then you're good to go. But when it comes to this, you have like 4 individual sliders. You even have like the precision and the luminance enhancement. So that's just a matter of getting all the settings right, of course, and seeing which clip and which filter looks the best on this video. So that is the colorization tool, guys. I might go in detail on like a live show on YouTube on my channel very soon. I'm not going to say a specific date yet, but I'm going to stream Vegas Pro 18 live lessons on my YouTube channel. But keep an eye on your sub box. Make sure you also turn on notifications, and it is really cool what you can do with this feature. And if you put everything to full, guys, make sure that you do that. Vegas Pro doesn't make this pixelated along with like color grading, so if you put everything to full, then the quality is still the same as you would uncheck this feature just like that. And that is a colorization tool. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and for the continued support. If you would like to see more of these videos, make sure to reward it with a like down below. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite feature is of Vegas Pro 18. Is it the flicker flicker reducer? Is it the black bar filler? Is it like the style transfer plugin? Let me know by a comment, and I'll see you guys obviously in the next video.